Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of robots, transforming vehicles. Transform your robot. So these are not, official licensed Transformers, not Takara Tomy, they're not Hasbro. They're fakes, they're bootlegs, they're not us, unofficial, unlicensed, They're just a transforming robot, okay? So yeah, these ones are kind of small and mini, maybe in a transforming universe, they might be about Legend size, I want to say. Or is it Warrior size? I don't know. I don't buy those little mini Transformers. But here they are, next to a... Well, we'll see the size in a second here. So, there's that box, and then there's... Let's zoom out a bit. This box, why is this box a little bit bigger? Because it's sold in robot mode. This box is a little bit smaller because it's sold in vehicle mode. There is another one that's bigger than this box. The quality of the press on that one look horrible and junky. It says that it's a snap together, pull apart one that you could pull apart legs from the web fitter and put apart blue pieces and green pieces and stuff and kind of create your own Frankenstein transformer, if you will. Yeah, but the quality on that one, the press on that one, quality on that one just didn't look that great. Where did I get these? Where did I pick them up at? The dollar store. So if you want these, head over to the dollar store. These ones, I know someone else did a review on these ones, and they said that they got the dollar store, or in their country they call it something else, which was kind of like the dollar store. I think they were like from Europe, England, where they're like pounds and sterling silver and stuff, and sterling pounds. So different currency weight, but it was like basically the dollar store, These ones are a little bit newer. I don't think anyone did a review on these ones yet. But anyway. Yep. Here's the instructions, just vehicle mode and robot mode. There's no instructions on there. So they're kind of solo if you went to sirtoys.com, where, no instructions, just nothing. I mean, at least with this, you do get a little panty spots with this. SirToys.com, you don't even get this. You just get this and like maybe some bubble wrap, and that's it. Instructions, same as this, no instructions. So I mean, it is a pretty cool little fight jet fighter here. Not really sure what it is. I want to say f14 tomcat, but I'm sure it's probably not that one. Pretty cool. It has some pretty cool, panel line details on there. As you can see, the fuselage does, excuse me, doesn't really want to, stay together, but neither does some of the official Hasbro Transformers, okay? So here it is with the power prime drive wing, and the Titan's Return. I can't remember the name of this fitter, but just for size wise, you can kind of see that it's going to be like the little ones. What are the little ones called? Legend class or Warrior class? I don't know. I don't buy them. I usually buy like, the deluxe ones with the standard ones, and once in a while the leader class ones. But usually I deal with deluxe ones, like these size fitters. So yep. Let's see if we can fit out the old transformation on this one. Seems to be a little bit odd on this one, so just kind of take the legs and flip them like this. So we flip the chest down or something. Bear with me, I am doing this as you are seeing it. There's no instructions. So we split the fuselage, pull it back like this. Okay, bend it slightly back. Now, I guess these bend inward. Yep, they bend inward. Okay, and then Where the hell is his head? Maybe it goes up like... Nope. Huh. Okay, give me a second here, folks. I am trying to learn how it goes. So,